Hi, everybody. It's your writing mentor, Maggie Tran, and I just wanted to do this quick video on how you can use Dropbox as part of your writing mentorship. So Dropbox is a cloud-based storage drive. If you have any large files like video files, then instead of saving them to your disk drive where space is precious, you can upload it to Dropbox. From there, you can even share the files with anybody, students or teachers, whoever needs those files. So to get a Dropbox account, go to ASU's University Technology Office. The URL is right here, uto.asu.edu/Dropbox. If you Google it, I'm sure this page will pop up too. Go to the Faculty and Staff tab, and you'll click this link to request access. The form will not appear for me because I already signed up for it, but they'll just ask you really general questions. And one of them is, what do you intend to use Dropbox for? Just be honest and write whatever you're going to use it for. In my case, I use it to store my teaching resources and my asynchronous video feedback to my students. They're both in video format and take up a lot of space. And I got approved for a Dropbox account just like within an hour of submitting my request, even though it was on a Saturday. So hopefully they'll be fast with your request too. Afterward, to get into your Dropbox account, go to dropbox.asu.edu. Once you sign in there, boom, you'll be taken to your Dropbox account. It will show up empty at first, but you can just put in your files as you see fit. To share a folder or a file with a student or teacher, I'm just going to use my revision workshop as an example. Okay, so here I have a video feedback for one of my students in this M4A. I'm sorry, the MP4 format is a video format, and I just want to share the Dropbox link to them. So you're going to click share. You're going to enter their ASU email address. Okay, so you're just going to enter that here. And then there will be a button here that says to create a link. You're going to create that link, and then you're going to copy that link. And then you're going to send an email to them or whatever form of communication that's appropriate, and just paste in that unique Dropbox link and just send it to them, and they should be able to open it. All right. Thank you, everybody.